How to send direct messages on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, move into your application Facebook. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this search icon at the top right and search for the name of the person that you want to send the message. Once you're in their feed, you can see the option of Messenger. Click on it. It will directly open up the Messenger if you have already downloaded and logged in into your account. From here, you can type in the message that you want to send and then click on Send. There you go, the message has been sent to this person. Well, now you can also send gifts and stickers as well. Let me send one stickers. So this is simply how you can send direct messages on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.